Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can download all photos from Google Drive link. If somebody send a link or share Google Drive link to you with photos that you can download photos from there. So I will show you I show you step by step process. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I am on my Chrome browser. So first just log in with your account. Okay, Gmail account. Now just open this link with your same browser. Okay, and after you log in this link, open this link, it will be directly take you in Google Drive in share with me option, because somebody sharing this link to you. Okay, so here you can maybe see the folder like this, and under the folder you can see the photos like this. Okay, so you can simply select that all photos. Okay, by clicking one photo, then click the control key and hold it and select others photo, or you can directly select large photos. Okay, by clicking shift. Okay, if you want to select one by one photo, you need to select click control key and hold it and select one by one. And if you want to select all photo, then you need to select one first photo, then hit the shift button and hold it and select the last photo, then it will be select all. Or you can simply select enter the control plus a. If you okay, enter control plus a, it will be select all. Okay, so now select all like this, and you can right click on any photos, and here you can see this download options. Click on download, and the Google Drive will be start downloading this photo in zip file. Okay, so it will be take time. It's depend on your photo size. So here the photos has been downloaded. Let me open it. So here the photos folder. Now you need to right click on it, and you need to extract all, because this is the zip file. Okay, if you don't find this extract option here, you can go to the show more option, and here you can find that extract all option. Just click on it, select the location. By default it will be select the same location. Now just extract it. Now here you can see the new folder has been created. Now you can open it, and you can find the all photos from that Google Drive link. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.